Namaste and welcome to day 28. Today's practice, as you see, we're going to start standing. So I invite you to stand up on your mat, spread your legs just in a comfortable stance, and get your palms facing to the front. Allow your shoulders to relax, allow your chest to relax. Keeping your eyes closed, just focus with your breath. Place your both hands on your chest. And now let's just chant one beautiful Om sound together. Inhale. Om. Simple intention for your practice. Gently relax your hands. Lovely. Today's practice is a lot about balancing and finding the balance. One interesting part about balances is that it's directly related to what is going on in your thoughts, in your mind. The more cluttered and pushed you feel from your mind, the same will reflect in your practice. So let's try to find ways to relax the mind so we can relax into the practice. Okay, we'll start with coming on the top of the mat. I love how beautiful the sun is greeting us today in this practice. Okay, so let's appreciate or welcome the greeting of this rays of light that we have in our life, and we just spread the palms and take a welcome from the universe to take it up. Exhale slowly, bend the knees and lower your hands down. Again, inhale, come all the way up. Exhale, lower the hands, bending the knees. Relax the head. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, lower, keeping the knees bent. Inhale, arms all the way up. Exhale, lower, keeping the knee bent. Slowly coming up, rolling up, vertebrae by vertebrae. We stand here in stillness. Shift the weight slightly ahead on your feet, slightly back, ahead and back. Try to find how different it feels, just the weight shifting, how different it feels for your body, for your balance, for accessing the regions that has never been used on a daily basis. Going side to side, trying to feel the soles of your feet on the side edges. Now make a circle with, remember, I'm not doing a circle from my waist, it's the weight, body weight, to feel all corners of the soles of the feet. And release, other side. Trying to feel every corner. Relax. Bend your knees and we'll find the pelvic tilt now. Keep your both hands on your front of the navel, back of the pelvis. And now push the hips back and push the tailbone in. Exhale, push the tailbone out. And inhale in. Keep doing this. Yes. Anterior and posterior tilt. Try doing this with the straight knee. Having the command over these basic movements that activates a lot of your awareness, nudges those awareness for you. And keep it in neutral. Hold it here. Relax your hands. Shift your entire weight on the left side. And try to lift your right leg off the floor, bringing the knees in line with the hips. Keep looking at one spot and release. We'll go for the left side, keeping your focus alive. Lift up, stay here, and release. We'll bring the right knee to the chest this time, maintaining the balance. All the way to the chest. And release. Left knee, slowly lift up. Find your balance all the way to the chest. And release. Lovely. Take your right leg behind and try to grab the ankle from behind. Tuck the tailbone in. We just learned how to do that. Squeeze your glutes and breathe here. Push the knee back as much as you can. I trust my ankles. I believe in myself. And I'm breathing. Relax. Slowly. Other side. Everything is soft and gentle. Nothing is sudden. Nothing is full of jerk. Yes. Avoid jerks. And just keep it very naturally gentle. Very slowly release the legs. Just the way you enter, you exit the same way. Lovely. That is amazing. Take your both the legs wide. We'll go for a big hip roll. Lovely. That was a good balance. Reverse the direction. And amazing. We'll come in the front of, the legs together in the center of the mat. We'll push on the outer edge, lifting the inner arch of the foot off. Just stay here. Put the weight there. Feel that good stretch on the sides of your shin. And release now inwards. Just spread your legs a little bit to push the weight inwards. Knees are also in. Lovely. The reason why we're doing this practice is for you to understand when you're trying to be flat on the floor, we are naturally dominant on one side. We're either on the inwards or the outwards. Our foot placement needs to be centered or balanced. If you're a little too in, you have to think of pushing a little too out. This is how you calibrate and find a good balance. Okay? From here, we will slowly take our legs in Trikonasana. Open your legs wide. Turn out the right leg. Lift both arms in line with your shoulder. Look at the right palm. Breathe. Lower your hips and stay. Slowly tilt back into reverse warrior. Inhale, come back front. Turn to the right side, lifting the back heel off. Slowly shift your weight on the front leg, stepping a little bit, and take your back leg off the floor in warrior 3. Find your balance, look at one spot. Upper body and back leg in one straight line, trying to be perpendicular. Relax your face muscles. And slowly bend the knees. Drop the legs exactly back into warrior 1. Take your arms up. Tuck the navel in, tailbone in. Lower the hips. Slowly open to warrior 2 again. And switch sides. Turn in the right. Turn out the left. Open. Reverse warrior. Breathe through it. Slowly coming up and turning towards the left side. Lift the back heel. Shift the weight on the front leg. Lifting the right leg off. Finding the balance and straight line from your head to the toe. Use your palms for the aerodynamics. Slowly release into warrior one. Palms up, navel in. Exhale, open into warrior two again. And slowly straighten the legs. Toes in. Press. Exhale, release your head down into the front. Breathe. Slowly get your heel toe inside, heel toe. Bend the knees and slowly roll up. Beautiful. Legs together. Take a minute to breathe. Notice where exactly does your weight lie on your feet. And find a center to it. From here, slowly open your eyes. We lift up the right leg and place the arch of the foot either on the ankles or on your thighs. Try to avoid directly on your knee. Just stay here, look at one spot, finalize your gaze, and just believe in yourself. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. If you fall, that's okay. Just come back, collect yourself back. Just the way we try to shift the weight on the soles of the feet, that's exactly how you calibrate. Slowly release the palms. Switch sides. Everything is slow and gradual. The way you enter is exactly how you exit. Lock your gaze at one point. Breathe into the whole body. Slowly release. We'll do the same thing one more time. So I'm going to add a variation into this. You come up. You stay here with your legs either lower on the leg or the higher leg, whichever your choice is. Take your palms and slowly, very slowly take moments. No sudden movements. And now open your chest towards the right side. Slowly turn back, center, very slowly shifting your gaze. Release the palms. Stay here. Breathe. You're still along with me. Take your right palm closer on your thighs if you can. Find that balance. Slowly release. Very gently picking the left feet. Finding your balance, looking at one spot. Once you have your focus, slowly pick your pick your arms. Shoulders down. And very slowly, first the gaze, and then the body turning. Very slowly turn back. Release the palms. Take your left hand on your left thigh. Recalibrate and slowly release the legs. Stand still and breathe. We all have a tendency of expecting things from our practice, the tendency of wanting to do the balance perfectly, wanting to achieve it. But this practice is about the process. It's communicating to you a chance to talk to your body. So instead of focusing on where I have to be, focus on what you're feeling while you're doing things. Yes, let's try this one more time. Focus alive, no expectations. Just right leg at your comfortable spot. Just stay here or maybe add the variation. Take your time to slowly collect back. Very softly releasing the arms, releasing the legs. Other side, take your time, no rush. Very slowly collecting yourself back. Relaxing the palms. Keeping that focus to relax your legs. Spread your palms, embrace. Beautiful. From here, slowly come down on your knees. Keep your heels lifted off the floor. And try to just do one last balance. Just staying here and trying to find that balance. Look at one point. Wherever you are, don't aim for anything. Just try to sustain. And sit down on your hips. Legs straight in front of you. And just be with yourself for some time. Take your time to stay with yourself and relax. Namaste.